Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of precision cooking with the Greater Goods Pro Sous Vide Kit. We found this product online, and you can check the link in the description for the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the Greater Goods Pro Sous Vide Kit? It's a powerful sous vide cooker that operates at 1,100 watts, designed for those who want to elevate their cooking game. This kit isn't just about the cooker, it also includes a premium plastic container, a sous vide rack, a lid, and a neoprene sleeve. This means you have everything you need to get started on your sous vide journey right out of the box. Let's talk about the standout features of this sous vide cooker. First and foremost, its power. At 1,100 watts, it heats water quickly and efficiently, allowing you to reach your desired temperature in no time. This is incredibly helpful when you're in a hurry or trying to plan a meal. Plus, the brushless motor operates quietly, which means you won't be distracted by noise while your food cooks. Another fantastic feature is its intuitive design. Sous vide cooking is simple with this kit. Just stick the immersion circulator into a water bath, set your desired temperature, and add your ingredients to a bag. Then, dip the bag into the water, and voila! It's like a little jacuzzi for your food, providing a consistent cooking environment that ensures perfectly cooked meals every time. Now, let's not overlook the thoughtful details that make this device stand out. The Greater Goods Sous Vide Cooker offers 2 units of measurement, Fahrenheit and Celsius, making it user-friendly for everyone. You'll also find a manual calibration feature and a negative timer, which lets you track how long an item has been cooking beyond your original timer. And, of course, the stainless steel cover is removable and dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. The included sous vide container takes your cooking to the next level. It's designed to maintain temperature longer through consistent circulation, which is crucial for getting that perfect sous vide cook. This insulated container works universally with most sous vide models, so you can be confident in its compatibility. One of the major challenges in sous vide cooking is evaporation and floating bags. The Greater Goods container comes with a lid that snaps in place to prevent evaporation, and the stainless steel rack keeps your food bags submerged and organized. This means you can focus on cooking while the device handles the rest. So, who is the Greater Goods Pro Sous Vide Kit suitable for? If you're a home cook looking to impress friends and family with gourmet meals, this kit is perfect for you. Whether you're a novice trying out sous vide for the first time or a seasoned chef aiming to refine your techniques, the Sous Vide Kit offers the precision and ease of use that can cater to all skill levels. In terms of practical use cases, imagine preparing a perfectly cooked steak that's juicy and tender, or crafting vegetables that retain their nutrients and vibrant colors. It's also great for meal prep, cook in bulk and store meals for later in the week. You can even use the sous vide method to infuse flavors or prepare unique desserts, like crème brûlée, that require precise temperature control. In summary, the Greater Goods Pro Sous Vide Kit combines power, precision, and practicality, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking to explore the world of sous vide cooking. It's not just a cooking device, it's a tool that empowers you to create restaurant-quality meals from the comfort of your own kitchen. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.